Hello everyone, welcome back to PrimeMotorMax, your trusted channel for honest bike reviews, detailed comparisons, and the latest automobile updates. Today we are talking about one of the most reliable and best-selling commuter motorcycles in India, the bike that is famous for its smooth engine, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance cost. Yes, we are reviewing the practical and dependable Honda Shine 125. Honda Shine 125 comes with a simple yet premium design that perfectly suits daily riders. It does not try to look aggressive or sporty, but instead focuses on elegance and maturity. The chrome finish on the exhaust, stylish graphics, body-colored panels, and sleek headlamp give the bike a clean and classy appearance. This is the kind of motorcycle that looks perfect for office workers, students, and family users alike. Talking about the engine, Honda Shine 125 is powered by a 124 cubic centimeters BS6 refined engine that produces smooth power and excellent torque for city riding. The engine delivers around 10.7 brake horsepower of power and 11 Newton meters of torque, which is more than enough for daily commuting. The best part is the refinement. There are almost no vibrations even at higher speeds, and the bike feels extremely smooth and silent, which is something Honda is well known for. One of the biggest highlights of the Shine 125 is its impressive mileage. The bike easily delivers around 55 to 65 kilometers per liter depending on riding style and road conditions. With rising fuel prices, this kind of mileage makes a huge difference and helps riders save a lot of money every month. That's why it is often called the true mileage king in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Comfort is another strong point of this motorcycle. The long and soft seat provides great support for both rider and pillion. The upright riding posture ensures that you do not feel tired even on long rides. The suspension setup with telescopic front forks and hydraulic rear shock absorbers handles bumps and rough roads very smoothly.